point there is, sana the lawyers can look beyond. Sana we can all look beyond it. And let the, maybe the citizenry, they fight it out on the basis of their politics. Pero ang problema kasi sa lawyers ngayon, meron akong politika. I have the skill, I have the stature. So what I do is, I do not read the law as painfully as it should. Medyo kakalimutan ko. Article 59 ng ICC Treaty, Article 89, Article 92. Babasahin ko na, the warrant is effective immediately in the Philippines without judicial remedy. Okay? Whether that's right or wrong. You have taken a polemical position. You have not told me how you arrived at that. And some of my good friends are doing that. I know what you want. I share what you want, accountability, etc. Pero somehow, kailangan medyo principled tayo. So, by the way, Monday lalabas yung aming decision. And we will be, I think you will see how different our views are. Na hindi sabi nila
Yung ponente.
yung ponente, hindi ko muna sasabihin. Definitely, hindi na ako. But I have a separate opinion, which I hope that you can also take time to read. But I enumerated ano ba yung basis. Okay. But the point there is, we need to educate better.